Ever wondered what it takes to run a thriving hardware store? Is it just about selling hammers and nails, or is there a secret formula to make it big? What if I told you that with the right steps, you could dominate your local market? Stay with me, and I'll break down every step to help you get there. Whether you've been dreaming about it for years or just thinking about diving in, I've got a complete guide lined up for you. So, grab your notebook, and let's build your dream business brick by brick, literally. Welcome to Prince Sam Official Channel. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Tips Guide, Step-by-Step Breakdown. Step 1. Research the market. Before you order your first toolbox, you need to know your market. Is there demand for another hardware store in your area? Or maybe there's a gap in your competitors' product offerings that you can exploit? Do a little homework, find out what's missing, and get ready to fill that gap. Pro tip: analyze the DIY trend in construction industry growth in your area. Step 2. Choose your niche. Not all hardware stores are created equal. Do you want to cater to contractors or DIY homeowners? Maybe focus on eco-friendly, sustainable building materials? Deciding your niche early can help you stand out from the competition. Step 3. Secure funding. Now, let's talk money. Starting a hardware business requires solid investment. From rent to inventory, the costs add up quickly. Explore funding options like business loans, investors, or even partnerships. The key here is to budget wisely so you can keep your store running even during slow months. Step 4. Find the perfect location. Location is everything. You'll want a spot that's easily accessible for contractors but also convenient for homeowners. High traffic areas near residential neighborhoods or construction sites are ideal. Step 5. Stock up. Next, you need to stock your store with the right products. Make sure you have a variety of tools, fasteners, paint, and home improvement items. And don't forget to stock those little things that people always forget, like screws and light bulbs. Those are the unsung heroes of a hardware store. Pro tip: build strong relationships with suppliers to get the best prices and inventory availability. Step 6. Get the word out. Marketing is your best friend when starting a hardware store. From local ads to online promotion, you need to let people know you exist. Create a website. List your business on Google's to engage your community. Step 7. Customer service is king. Great products will bring customers in, but excellent customer service will keep them coming back. Train your staff to be knowledgeable, friendly, and helpful. This will be your secret weapon against the big chain stores. Starting a hardware business isn't easy, but with the right steps, you can build a successful one that stands the test of time. If you're ready to take the plunge, follow these tips and start building your empire today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on more great business tips and strategies. And remember, Prince Sam Official loves you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.